Hello all, welcome to my channel Study Biology with Rupali, and I'm your biology mentor Rupali. Today is the first class and the topic is the introduction to biology. As we all know, our universe is made up of stars, galaxies, asteroids and planets. In one small corner of the universe, life is precious and beautiful. Life is found on planet Earth, and the study of life is called as biology. The term biology is originated from two Greek words, bios and logos. Bios means life and logos means study. When I say life, it does not only mean human. We have to consider plants, other animals, birds, and various forms of life, microorganisms, etc. The study of life is called as biology, and Aristotle is called as the father of biology. Now we'll explore the branches of biology. Biology is having several branches, but we have to study about the main branches of the biology. Biology is the branch of science in which we have to study about living beings, that is plants, animals and humans. So the main branch of biology is zoology, botany and microbiology. Zoology is called as the branch of biology in which we have to study about animals. Botany, it is a branch of biology in which we have to study about plants. Microbiology is the branch of biology in which we have to study the microorganisms, the microbes. So these are the three main branches of biology: zoology, botany and microbiology, which is the main part of the biology. Now we have to consider the several branches of the biology. The first several branches of biology is anatomy. What does it mean? What is the term anatomy means? Anatomy is split up into two words, ana and tom. Ana means up and tom means cutting. In anatomy, we have to cut and dissect. So we have to study the morphology. Morphology means study. Morpho means shape and logy means study. So study of the organisms. Now morphology is again of two types: internal morphology and external morphology. In internal morphology, we have to study internally the study of living organisms, and in external morphology, externally we have to study the shape of living organisms. Now the another part of the branch of the biology is physiology. It is also composed of two words, physio and logos. Physio means function and logos means study. The function of the various organs like heart, liver, brain, study of functioning of various organs is called as physiology. How all the organs work in our body, that is the main study. It is called as physiology, how all the organs are acting and how they are functioning in our body. So next branch is genetics, which is the most important branch of the biology. Genetics means the study of genes. It is inherited from parents to offspring. So study of gene is the main branch of biology in which it travels the genetic information from parents to offspring. Another branch is entomology, which means the study of insects is called as the entomology. So now we have to consider some parts which are not the parts of biology but important for life, like water, oxygen, carbon dioxide and sunlight. How biology improves our lives. As a field of science, biology helps us to understand the living world and the ways its many species function, evolve and interact. Advances in medicine, agriculture, biotechnology and many other areas of biology have brought improvement in the quality of life. So biology is very important part of our life nowadays. So this is the basic introduction of biology. In the next class, we'll discuss deeply regarding other functions. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe my channel Study Biology with Rupali, and please follow me on the Instagram ID given in the description. Thank you so much guys.